Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro, and let's get into it. I'm going to tell you the tech specs first. This phone actually came in 4 different colors. It was in gold, blue, what's called Pacific blue, graphite, and silver. And the reason why I have this phone today to unbox is because my husband surprised me with it, and hopefully I can make more videos, but more awesome looking videos for you to see. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like. I have the gold one, and this is what the box looks like. And it looks like it's like a gold trim, I guess, to let the people know that this is the gold one. And the tech specs say that the iPhone 12, and now I have the Pro, it says it's got, this one in particular has the 256 gigabyte, which is freaking awesome. I've never had that much before. And right now I have the iPhone 10, which I have no problems with, but I don't have the newer camera capability. So the newer camera is going to be a plus for filming. And it says that the size and weight, it says that the height is 5.78 inches and the width is 2.82 inches. Depth is 0.29 of an inch, and the weight is 6.66 ounces. OLED display, and let's see, it has rounded corners. So this one actually looks like the 5. So if you have the iPhone 5, it looks really similar to that, in that it has the rounded corners. It's splash, water, and dust resistant. Not proof, resistant. And I don't know what any of this other stuff means, but let's get to the unboxing now. Ooh, it's really pretty. It actually does not look at all what I thought it was gonna look like. So these new phones, the attendant told us at Apple Store that the newer phones don't come with a charging mount. So the actual thing, the plug in to charge the phone, they don't come with that anymore, but they do come with a charging cable. So FYI on that. It's so pretty, and the gold is so pretty. And it has the gold trim around the actual lens for the camera as well. If you can't see that, it definitely has the gold around the camera lenses. And there's 3 actually of those. I'm not really sure if it will turn on, if it's charged already. It's turning on. It's saying bonjour. All right, let's try English. Select your country. It's joining the network. We're gonna see what's inside the phone. Okay, so I wanted to bring you a little bit closer in so that you can see the gold trim around the phone itself and the gold trim around the lens for the camera. And the gold actually is just gold around the phone itself. It's not necessarily the whole thing is gold. I didn't know that until I just opened it. And obviously the screen is the screen. And like I said, this is my iPhone 10. Here is the iPhone 12, and it's not that much different. as far as size. It's just a little bit longer, but not by much. You got to realize that this is in a case and this is not in a case. So this one is definitely a little bit longer, but not by much. And this one has 2 cameras. This one has 3. It's so pretty. Okay, so this was going to be a short video. I just wanted to unbox it with you so that you can see what it looks like in person. And this is going to be the new iPhone 12 Pro. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.